the whole purpose of pavements is to take relatively small loads and distribute them so they're wider onto the natural in place soil. And we can do that with either flexible or rigid pavements. In our lab, we work with flexible pavements, which are a combination of aggregates and asphalt binder, and our job is to evaluate different aggregates and asphalt binder in order to try and get the best combination.
The first step to evaluating asphalt mixtures in the lab is preparing aggregate. We must first dry the aggregate because water can strip or debond asphalt binder from the surfaces. During sieving, we break down the aggregate to various sizes, and in batching, we recombine the aggregates to meet specific gradation. It's important to have each sample representative of an actual mix. Therefore, in sieving and batching, accuracy is critical.
Once we have the right size for an aggregate, we mix it with asphalt binder at over 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This process coats the aggregate surfaces with the binder. We then subject the mixture to a brief 2 or 4 hour aging period in an oven. Afterwards, we compact the samples to achieve the desired air voids and cut them into proper dimensions for testing.
In the realm of asphalt mixture durability, we employ a number of tests examining cracking resistance, rutting resistance, and resistance to moisture-induced damage. These tests help us understand how specific combinations of aggregate and asphalt binders can influence performance in the field. It's worth noting that air content, typically falling within the 3 to 8% range within the asphalt mixture, emerges as a pivotal factor in this equation.
A lot of what our lab work does here is it tries to make longer lasting pavements at a reduced cost. We also try and protect the environment by using recycled materials such as reclaimed asphalt pavement or recycled asphalt shingles in order to reduce the amount of new material we're putting into roads. These things help reduce the environmental impact while also ideally reducing the long-term cost.